Excuse me, is this platform number 3?
Yes, this is platform 3. Are you waiting for a train?
Yes, I am. I'm waiting for the express train to Delhi. What about you?
I'm also waiting for a train. Mine is going to Jaipur. I think it will arrive in about 20 minutes.
Oh, that's good. Is this your first time at the station?
No, I come here quite often. I travel a lot for work. How about you?
This is my first time here. The station is very big and I was a little confused.
Yes, it can be confusing at first. There are many platforms and many trains.
That's true. I was looking at the display board, but there were so many train numbers.
I understand. The display board can be difficult to read if you are in a hurry.
Exactly. By the way, do you know what time the Delhi Express arrives?
Let me check. I think it's scheduled to arrive at 6:45 p.m.
That's great. My ticket also says 6:45 p.m., so I'm at the right place.
Yes, you are. You don't need to worry.
Thank you. That's a relief. I was worried I might miss the train.
Don't worry. As long as you are early, you'll be fine.
You're right. I arrived almost an hour early.
That's actually a good habit. I also like to arrive early.
Do you usually travel by train?
Yes, I do. Trains are comfortable, and I enjoy watching the scenery.
I agree. Trains are much better than buses for long journeys.
Yes, and you can walk around, use the washroom, and relax.
That's true. I'm traveling to Delhi to visit my family.
That sounds nice. How long will you stay there?
I'll stay for about a week. What about you? Are you traveling for work?
Yes, I have a business meeting in Jaipur. I'll be there for 3 days.
I hope your meeting goes well.
Thank you. I hope you enjoy your time with your family.
Thank you very much.
Have you already found your coach and seat number?
Yes, my coach is B2 and my seat number is 34.
That's good. My coach is A1. It's usually at the front of the train.
Oh, I see. I'll need to walk a bit when the train arrives.
Yes, but there will be signs and staff to help you.
That's good to know. The staff here seem helpful.
Yes, they are. You can always ask them if you are unsure.
By the way, where did you buy your ticket? Online or at the counter?
I booked my ticket online. It's faster and more convenient.
Same here. Online booking saves a lot of time.
Absolutely. And you don't have to stand in long lines.
That's true. Oh, I think I hear an announcement.
Yes, let's listen.
That's my train.
Yes, it will arrive soon.
I should get ready then.
Yes, keep your luggage close and stand a little away from the edge.
Thank you for the advice.
You're welcome.
It was nice talking to you. You really helped me feel relaxed.
I'm glad to hear that. It was nice talking to you too.
Maybe we'll meet again someday at another station.
Yes, you never know. Travel brings people together.
That's very true.
I think your train is arriving now.
Yes, I can see it. I should start moving.
Okay, have a safe journey.
Thank you. You too. Take care.
Take care. Goodbye.
Goodbye.
Good afternoon. Good afternoon, sir. Welcome to our store. How can I help you?
I'm looking for some casual clothes, something comfortable for daily wear.
Sure. Are you looking for shirts, t-shirts, or jeans?
I'm looking for a shirt and maybe a pair of jeans.
All right. Please come this way. We have a new collection.
These shirts look nice. What material are they?
They are pure cotton, very comfortable, especially for summer.
That sounds good. Can I check this blue one?
Of course. Please feel the fabric.
It feels soft. How much does this shirt cost?
This one is priced at 1,800 rupees.
1,800? That seems a bit expensive.
Sir, the quality is very good and the stitching is excellent.
I understand, but my budget is around 1,200 rupees.
1,200 is too low for this quality, sir.
Can you give me some discount?
How about 1,600? That's the best I can do.
That's still high. If I buy more than one item, can you reduce the price?
Yes, sir. If you buy 2 items, I can give you a better deal.
That sounds fair. Let me look at the jeans as well.
Sure. These jeans are very popular. They come in different sizes and colors.
I like this dark blue one. How much is it?
This one is 2,200 rupees. That's quite expensive, too. These are branded jeans, sir. They will last a long time.
I'm sure they are good, but I need a reasonable price.
What price do you have in mind?
If I buy both the shirt and the jeans, can you give them to me for 3,000 rupees?
3,000 is not possible, sir. I won't make any profit.
All right, then tell me your final price.
Okay, for both items, I can give you a final price of 3,600 rupees.
Can you make it 3,400?
Let me think.
I'll pay in cash right now.
All right, sir. For cash payment, I can agree to 3,400.
Great, that works for me.
Excellent choice, sir. Would you like to try them on?
Yes, please. Where's the trial room?
It's at the back on the left. Thank you. I'll be right back. After trying the clothes.
The shirt fits well, but the jeans are a bit tight.
No problem. Let me get the next size for you.
Thank you.
Here you go. Please try this one.
This one fits perfectly.
That's great to hear.
I'll take both.
Would you like a carry bag?
Yes, please.
All right, I'll pack them for you.
Do you accept digital payment as well?
Yes, we accept UPI, cards, and cash.
I'll pay in cash, as we discussed.
Sure, sir.
Here you go.
Thank you. Here's your bill.
Thanks. Do you have any return or exchange policy?
Yes, you can exchange within 7 days with the bill.
That's good. I'll keep the bill safe.
Please do. Is there anything else you'd like to see?
Not today. I'm happy with my purchase.
I'm glad to hear that. Please visit us again.
I will. You gave me a good deal.
Thank you, sir. Have a nice day.
You too. Goodbye.
Goodbye, sir.
Hi, good morning.
Good morning. Welcome to our cafe. What can I get for you today?
I'd like to order a coffee, please.
Sure. What kind of coffee do you like?
I'm not sure. I usually drink regular coffee, but I want to try something new.
No problem. Do you prefer hot coffee or iced coffee?
I prefer hot coffee.
All right. Do you like strong coffee or mild coffee?
I like medium strength, not too strong and not too light.
In that case, I'd recommend a cappuccino or a latte.
What's the difference between a cappuccino and a latte?
A cappuccino has more foam and a stronger coffee taste. A latte has more milk and is smoother.
I think I'll go with a latte.
Great choice. What size would you like? Small, medium, or large?
Medium, please.
Sure. Would you like it with regular milk or low-fat milk?
Regular milk is fine.
Would you like to add any flavor like vanilla or caramel?
Maybe vanilla.
All right. How much sugar would you like?
1 spoon of sugar, please.
Got it. Anything else with your coffee?
Do you have any snacks?
Yes. We have cookies, muffins, and sandwiches.
Which one do you recommend?
Our chocolate chip cookies are very popular.
Okay, I'll take 1 cookie.
Perfect. Is this order for here or to go?
For here, please.
All right. Your total will be 280 rupees.
That's fine. Do you accept UPI?
Yes, we do.
I'll pay using UPI.
Sure. Please scan the code.
Done.
Thank you. Your order number is 12.
Thank you. How long will it take?
About 5 minutes.
That's okay. Neva waits near the counter.
While you're waiting, would you like some water?
Yes, please. Thank you.
Here you go.
Thanks. This place is nice and quiet.
Yes, many people come here to relax or work.
I can see that. Do you work here full time?
Yes, I do. I enjoy making coffee and talking to customers.
That sounds nice. It must be fun.
It is, especially when customers know what they want.
I'm still learning about coffee.
That's okay. Everyone starts somewhere.
True, I usually drink coffee at home.
Homemade coffee is great too.
But cafes have a different feeling.
Yes, the atmosphere matters.
I agree.
Order number 12?
That's mine.
Here's your medium vanilla latte and your cookie.
It looks great.
Be careful, it's hot.
Sure, thank you.
Let me know how it tastes.
Neva takes a sip. Wow, it's really good. Not too strong.
I'm glad you like it.
I think I'll order this again next time.
We'll be happy to make it for you.
Do you have a loyalty card?
Yes, we do. After 5 coffees, you get one free.
That's nice. I'd like to sign up.
Sure, I'll help you with that.
Thank you.
You're welcome. Enjoy your coffee.
I will. Have a great day.
You too. Take care.